Hi everyone, I just wanted to tell you about this mattress topper that I got. This is actually memory foam and it is 2 inches thick. So it is really cushiony. It's actually also cooling. It is so amazing and it fits my daughter's twin size bed perfect. They obviously have other sizes. I think now that I have seen how amazing hers is, I'm definitely gonna have to get one for my bed. But this is so comfortable. The material is so soft and so squishy, and then it kind of like pushes back. So you can lay on it and then roll over, and once you roll back onto that side, it's already gonna be plumped up. It comes packaged amazing. You don't have to worry about like wrinkles or creases. And then it has all of these little holes in here that is cooling, so it's not gonna trap in the heat as much. I'm obsessed. I've been looking for a good one for such a long time. If you are looking for something to make your bed a little bit more comfortable, I would 100% look into this one.